Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain how to trade properly on Pocket Option and how to turn $100 into over 1,000 in just a few minutes. I won't be explaining how to register or make a deposit. You can handle that on your own. We go to the Trade tab, select Trading and then Trade with Real Money. After that, we choose a currency pair. You need to pick the one at the very top with the green arrow. This indicates the fastest growth. That's it, we stop here. Here I set $100 for 10 seconds. We look at which color dominates. In this case, green is the dominant color. So we place our first bet on green. If the value is average, we choose AI trading. If the value is red, we bet down accordingly. In this case, we get a profit of $192. I increase the amount to $192. I watch what happens. Green still dominates, but the indicator suggests there is more in the center. So I choose AI trading, and the system itself decides where it's best to place the bet right now. $368. Next, let's see what happens. $368. A sharp move, the red bar appears. There's a lot of it, so we bet down. And now we get $706. We bet $706. We see that the bar is in the center, so we choose AI trading. $1,355. I think the strategy is clear. If not, you can always message me privately and ask how to use this strategy correctly.